Hi, welcome to the full body workout with me, Ivan Young. It's an interval training of 5 rounds of 30 seconds workout and 15 seconds rest. Continued with another 5 rounds of 45 seconds workout and 15 seconds rest. You will see the timer on the left hand side of your monitor. So we're gonna start with the first movement. I'm gonna show you. It's a squat and a kick, and then squat and another kick on your other leg. So remember, you always have a rest after you work out, and I'm gonna give you plenty of options during the workout. We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squat and kick, and change on the other side. Don't forget to breathe. You want to sink down on your legs. Bring the butt back, lift the chest, and brace the belly. And you want to kick long and strong. This is to warm up the body, to warm up the legs, the big muscles, and to increase the heart rate and rest. How do you feel? The second one, we're gonna step back to the backward lunge, double and double on the other side. Let's go. Step back and step back. You want to make sure your knees are 90 degrees angle, and pick up the back heel. And you can always jump if you want to. If you don't like to jump, you can always step back. Lift the chest, shoulders down. And just bring your hands all on your hips. Beautiful. Nice rest. You can start to feel the load on your legs, eh? Now let's go. We're gonna start with the shoulder tap. So just bring your hands to your opposite shoulders. You can always adding on push-ups in between. Let's go. You can add on the push-ups and shoulder tap. If you don't like to have the push-ups, you can always remove the push-ups. You can also drop into your knees if you need some scale down. Everything is tight from your core. You're gonna feel it on your shoulders. You can try it on your knees if you want to. And recover. Up next, you're gonna come into the Spider-Man lunge. So you come into the plank, and then you're gonna step your one foot outside of your palms, and then change on the other side. Ready? Let's go. You can step, or you can always jump. This is what we call the mountain climber. So Spider-Man lunge or mountain climber, whichever that you like. Make sure everything is in line. Very, very strong. Hang in there. 3 more seconds. And rest. Now for your abdominal. This is our last round before we move into the 45 seconds workout. So we're going to come into the bicycle twist. Think about elbows or your chest to your knees. Opposite shoulders to opposite knees. Let's go. You want to feel the side obliques, which is your side abdominals over here. And try not to pull your head or your neck, because it might strain your neck later on. Yes. Make some pulses. And rest. Beautiful. Whew. It was hard, eh? Let's go. Now same thing, but we're gonna do 45 seconds. I need you to remember the squat and kick. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Squat and alternating kick. Now this time you can always pace yourself, so you can always slow down, or you can always push yourself a little more by kick longer, squat just a little lower, or you can always slow down. It is okay to slow down, guys. If you're okay, just go a little faster, kick a little harder. Ten more seconds and it feels long. Whoa, you can feel it on your legs. Burning. Stay strong. Remember the second movement, the lunges. Take whatever options that you need. Double pulse lunges. If you're up for some challenge, you can always jump. Or you can always stay with me. And this is the jump. Yeah. Try to smile just a little bit because you can feel it on your legs tomorrow. And rest. Woo. Come to the floor, the shoulder tap. Because it's going to be longer, I suggest if you're new, try it on your knees first. Okay? Let's go. You don't have to do the push-ups. You can always do the shoulder tap only. If you like, come up to your toes. Or just the shoulder tap. Remember, plenty of options. Take your time. Once you already know the options, you can do it by yourself. Keep it coming, guys. You're doing very, very well. And that's it. Woo. I'm sweating here. The Spider-Man lunge. Let's go. Now sometimes you're not really reach the outside of the palm, and it is okay. And if you like to jump, just a little more explosion, or if you want to scale down a little, you can always go a little faster, you can always go a little slower. We only have one more round, and this 10-minute workout is gonna finish. Whew. Last movement. You remember the bicycle twist? So hands beside your ears, legs on your 90-90s, double pulse, and the other side, and go. Exhale a lot. Feel it on your abs. Hang in there. Come on, guys, don't give up. Yes, 5 more seconds. Hang in there. And that's it. What a workout. See you on my next home workout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment whatever that you want to have in this channel. Stay safe and keep doing your home workout. Enjoy.